everyone, thank you so much for joining me. I'm makeup artist Lisa Caldognetto and I forgot to film an intro. Yeah, I did. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful smoky eye using a mix of different textures. So we're going to use a metallic as well as mattes, and yeah, there's some new products in the makeup mix, so subscribe to my channel as well and let me know what you think. Right, let's get to it. I'm going to start off with the Victoria Beckham Satin Kajal liner in the shade Bronze. It's so beautiful. And I'm going to start off by popping this actually in the waterline. In makeup, I love to play with texture. I love to change things up, so I'm going to do quite a matte eye versus this quite metallic detail in the eye. And what's lovely about these pencils is they are so soft, they just glide into the waterline with ease. Like so. If there's any overspill, I think there's a tiny bit of, I'm just going to smudge that around the eye, because if you've been following my work for a while, you always know I love to use a bit of pencil. It's almost a bit of underwear for the makeup that we're about to do. And even that just looks really pretty. I love the way the slight metallic sort of picks up in the waterline. You just see that beautiful reflection of the metallic bouncing back at you. So I'm going to use the Burnished book from Bare Minerals. This is brilliant. Fab for a makeup artist, fab for makeup lovers. And what's even smarter is that comes out, so you don't have to take that bulky case with you necessarily. And they're all numbered, which just makes the whole thing really easy, because you don't have to remember the shades necessarily. You can go, oh yeah, 1, 2, actually. Oh yeah, I was like, there's no 1, 2, 3. There is. Someone's had a long day. So I'm actually going to use those 3 bottom colours, and I'm going to start with the shade Spark number 5. I'm actually going to start off by placing that as my kind of base mid-tone colour. And this is a My Kitco 1.27 brush. I'm placing it on the lid and taking it to the crease and overspilling it onto the brow bone, especially doing a bit more of a lifting shape towards the outer edge of the eye. Then I'm going to the shade number 4, Earth. So what I like to do when I'm applying the product is I sort of pat it on. Then I begin to sort of go into a more blending motion. See how placing that colour underneath that slightly kind of burnt rose gives it a bit more interest and a bit more depth. It just helps the colour kind of transfuse beautifully into everything that we're doing. Then I'm going to take that smoke shade, the number 6, and then this mini brush. My Kitco is the 1.24. I'm almost going to use this as like a bit of an eyeliner, create a bit more depth. And I'm using a small brush because I want a really strategic placement of product. I'm pulling that crease line, cheating it, kind of pulling it up a bit higher and across, just to give my eye more length. Back to my blending brush, and then in a windscreen kind of wiper motion, blend that through. Ooh, yummy. I'm just loading up a tiny bit of the product, the smoke product, on that bigger brush. Build it up a tiny bit more. I'm going to take a bit more of that below the lash line, just to create a bit more contrast between the matte and the metallic. Just did that top outer corner, inner corner, sorry. Did a bit of detail in that top inner corner. Smudge. Still need to sort out my setup a bit more. I'm still not 100% happy with it. I feel like I'm too shadowed on this side as well. But anyway, let me know if that bothers you, or if you've got any suggestions, because, you know, I'm still all quite new to this. Lash colours, where are you? Do you know what? I'm going to go really dramatic with the lashes. I'm going to use NARS Climax. Can't find my lash colours, so excuse the straight lashes. Just like to look down and just really build and load that product. Just love what all these colours are doing to my own eye colour. This is the Climax Extreme. Nothing beats shoving on loads of mascara. Shed loads of it, my friend. And there we go. That is the finished look. Let's do the obligatory take the clips out. You know the one. There we go. What do we think? Do we like? What do you think? I think it's super cute. I love it. I love the drama. Do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've got any other suggestions for any videos or anything else you'd like to see on my channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and see you next Sunday.